Hello, it's my last sem in college, so get ready with me. Today, I'll wear something pink and gray. Also, ginanito ko na yung hair ko kasi the past few days, palagi ko siyang kinikirl, so masyado na siyang heat, exposed to heat. I wanna wear pants today kasi the past few days, puro ako skirt or dress. So, para bago naman, let's wear this pair of pants. Ilang beses ko na itong nasuot. Go to my YouTube channel, yung parang recent vlog ko on YouTube. Ilang beses siyang nagpakita doon. Of course, as usual, saan ba to? Ukay, malamang te. Kung saan ko to binili, watch my YouTube video as well to know kung paano siya na-acquire. This is oversized. So, ayan, high waist siya and then still long. Ang ganda niya, di ba? See? Pink naman, ito yung top na gusto ko suotin. Hindi siya ukay, pero pre-loved ko siya nabili here sa school. This is how it looks. But I think this might be a bit too long for my taste. Gusto ko kasing nakikita yung dito banda. Para mas I look taller. Kumbaga, because of the dimensions. For the shoes, I'll wear this para pink, gray, black, and then pink. Okay. Tinan nyo yung space ng ground and my foot now that I'm wearing the boots. It's not just the boots alone. It's Hey, insoles! Bakit ba? Gusto kong maging matangkad today. This is our outfit, as plain as it is. And then, now let's bump it up by adding accessories. So, this is our final look. I'll wear this backpack para mas vibe niya yung fit today. Gets nyo ba? Yeah. This is Ukay, pre-love. This is also pre-love, actually. And then ito, Jansport. I'll try to take pictures, so see you on Instagram. Bye-bye!